How is everyone? Hello. Um, Thanks for the introduction. My name is Daniel Reyes. I am from Mexico City. It's great to be here with you all and to talk about a little bit about Econova. So I'm going to get right to it. Before BV, there was a time where Econova existed before BVisioneers. For the last 7, 8 years plus, we were auditing services. We were a consulting firm where we did help companies get ISO certifications, create management systems, do waste management services, and different kind of things all over the circular economy world. There was a time in 2025 where we realized something. An impossible truth came to our minds, to our eyes. That is, managing the problem isn't actually solving it. So we had to make change, the pivot, that it's right there in the number 3. So in 2025, because of BVisioneers and because the standardized process that our vendor coach, for example, Nihal, and everyone here told us, we became operators instead of just advisors. This is our decentralized plan in, it's kind of weird, but that's me, okay. This is our decentralized chemical plant in Mexico. We are receiving different types of plastics, industrial plastic, medical plastics, BOPP, LDP, HDP, different kind of mixed plastic waste, and we are converting it, the hardest materials that no one wants because it can be mechanically recycling. They are giving it to us. We are converting it into what it's called pyrolysis oil. We then refine that pyrolysis oil, and we are doing the first plastic to diesel plant in Mexico City that we have right now. This is a reactor, pyrolysis reactor. And okay, before that, before I show you the rest, why is this important? Why is this plant important? Why is this technology, the infrastructure important in Mexico? Because of this. This is the alternative that is in Mexico. This is the actual plastic being burned. Agricultural film plastic used for tomato plants and berries plants in all over Mexico. This is the actual result. It's a common scene where this releases dioxins, methane, CO2, and different pollutants to our world. What do? We intercept them. This is us getting the reactor up and running. That is the actual film. It has dirt, it has contaminants, it's polluted, everything just goes directly to it, and we convert it into, this is our feedstock, right? It's in Mexico City, no, it's in Lerma, I'm sorry, and the pyrolysis breaks the long polymers chains without the combustion, okay? This is the result. This is our first 4 liters of pyrolysis oil that we take last year. Yeah. This is a pyrolysis oil, amber. It's energy dense, really, really dense and nutritious in energy requirements. And it's the same molecules as before. It just has a new life, and we can actually use it instead of just being burned. Okay? The thing that no one else is doing here is the traceability. Without traceability, circular economy is just a fancy word, a beautiful word, we can say. And with traceability, circular economy becomes an actual technology, becomes an actual thing that we can harness and do it. So if anyone wants, you can grab your phone, get the QR, and you can see the actual passport, traceability passport that Econova uses. We have our own AI proprietary technology that allows us to track the whole life cycle of the batch. And this is not just for our pyrolysis oil, it's a technology that we want to share. This is going to be like a white label, so everyone here can have a traceability passport for your product or your service or whatever you need. So you can have it. If it's supposed to be loaded, can someone confirm? Yeah, it's it? Okay, perfect. It has a toggle, English and Spanish, so you can do it both. And this is the most important thing about it. Like I said, without the traceability, this is just technology, fancy technology and recycling companies. So this is the future. Every batch, it's generated cryptographically, and maybe before 2026 ends, we'll have it in the blockchain, so everything is pretty straightforward, okay? What is our impact today? We have kind of different impacts. Like say, we have been doing consulting, auditing services all these years. So what we have right now across our portfolio, we have a 92% overall diversion rate, like zero waste management, pretty much. We have 15 plus daily users of Nova AI, our AI, that it allows us to be like the right hand of general managers and directors across. We certified the first zero waste. There's a certification called TRUE, Total Resource Use and Efficiency by GBCI. We certified the first golf course in the world, platinum level. So that was pretty amazing. That was like a month ago, so that was pretty good. We have 4 companies using Nova at the moment, 6 plus clients, and we are in 4 countries, in Mexico, in Costa Rica, Panama, and El Salvador, where we have different, thank you, different plants, industrial plants at that level. This is because Be Visionaries. Like I said, before we were here, we were just consulting. Our mind was like a tunnel, and we were trying to manage the problem instead of solving it. And everything that happened to us here for the last pretty much 2 years have been the catalyzer for us to be able to move from consulting to advising to actually doing the work and getting to it. So we got the Pioneer Scholarship last year, and we got the machinery and our AI engine. It was possible because of this 20,000 euros. What else? The mentorship, technology, sustainability, pretty much everything came from Be Visionaries. So I'm really grateful for it, and it's just an amazing platform. So aprovechenla, how we say in Mexico. What's next? Everyone's saying, okay, so what is Econova? What's next for you? We are pioneering the first plastic to SAF in the world, maybe. In Latin America, 100% sure. But we're doing the next sustainable aviation fuel made of plastic. 99% of the SAF here in Europe comes from cornfields, from different oils, organic oils. So every single plastic to SAF in the world right now is just like a lab level, pretty much the same for us, but in Latin America, it's gonna be the first one. So that's maybe for 2030, we already have the certified SAF aviation fuel. So that would be pretty great. I hope we do. And what else? Okay, so what is Econova? I have no idea. Econova 5 years ago was an advisory firm, a consulting firm. Right now, I have no idea. Everyone asks me, so what is Econova? I have no idea. It's just something new because the problem that we are facing demands something new. It doesn't need an advisory. It doesn't need certifications. It doesn't need just one consulting more firm. It needs and demands something new. So that's what we are building. I hope we can build it together. So yeah, that's it for me, from Mexico to the world. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Muy bien. Thank you, sir.